Yo, what's good YouTube? Is your boy Tim back again. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your AdSense for your AdSense arbitrage. Now you can use Facebook, Propeller Ads, or AdStar, or any other ads network that you can use to promote your website. Now for me, I mostly use Facebook and Propeller, and this is my Facebook ads page. So if you check here, my cost per click is just 0.43 naira and 76 clicks. They charge me 0.43 naira per click. And if you check that to dollar, just search for naira to dollar and see how much that will be. So this is very cheap. Okay, so this is a very cheap traffic method. That's 0.43 naira, so that's around 0.0010 dollars. So imagine spending this and you can make a whole lot of money by deriving cheap traffic from Facebook. These are real human beings going to your site from running Facebook ads. So in case if you're interested in learning how to do all of this, how to set it up from scratch to finish, just make sure you use the link down there to hit me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you on that. So with that being said, I'm going to be walking you guys through how you can get your own AdSense approved account, and also I'm going to walk you guys through how you can actually get your AdSense approved in case if you are not yet approved. So first of all, if you're new here, make sure you hit this subscribe button. This is my channel, Don Tim TV. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, and yeah, so just help me out so that I can get to more people and stuff. So hit this red subscribe button, it's going to turn gray, and also make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop a video like this. So with that being said, first of all, I'm going to be using two methods for this. One is by buying your AdSense account, and two is by getting it the actual way. Now first of all, let's go through the way of buying it. So there is this site called Flipper. So just go ahead and type flipper.com. all right, so if you type flipper.com, it's going to bring you here. Okay, so this is the site. All right, so you can buy an approved website. So if you come here, you can see a whole bunch of sites. So if you go to the site, it will be at this. That's the highest price. All right, or the most or probably the first one here. Let's check. Probably the most relevant and stuff. So if you go there, this is the highest priced site, 1.2 million. So let me just go with the most relevant. Okay, so allow it to load. So this is the first page you're going to see, the most relevant. Okay, so if you come here, this site is going for $3,000 and it's making $870 dollars per month, and the monetization method is through affiliate sales, and the age is 15 years and all of that. So if you scroll down, you're going to see a whole bunch of sites and how much they are generating per month. So if you see this site is cost is 2,600, and the ads monetization is through AdSense, and it's generating $209 per month. Trust me, with arbitrage you can scale this price up and you'll be making crazy amounts, even up to this amount per month. So just scroll down and see the prices and stuff. So the most relevant are the ones that are actually more relevant from the site, and the prices are not always small. From what you can see here, the prices, the asking price is very high, $100,000, $20,000, and so on and so forth. So if you want to see the cheap ones, just come here, click on this. If you click on this, click on lowest price. So if you click on lowest price, you're going to see a whole bunch of cheap websites. Now some of them are monetized with AdSense, some of them are not monetized with AdSense. Now trust me, these sites are real, because before you post any site here, this company runs some verifications on your site to make sure if they are actually monetized or not. So trust me, everything you see here is quite real. So just take a look at the whole thing that we have right here. Look for the one that you can afford, and once you see the one you can afford, just hit on it. Then go ahead and check how much the site is actually generating. Okay, let me just look for a very catchy one, or I will just go with the most relevant ones and see how things are going to look like. All right, so let me just go with the most relevant ones. Okay, so you need to be very careful, because some sites will actually get verified here, but in the real sense they are not actually monetized. Okay, so you have to check the site to know if they are actually monetized. So let me just scroll down a little bit to look for the cheaper one. So let's take a look at this one that is going for $2,600. Just click on it. So if you click on it, wait for it. Okay, so this is the site, and from what they have here, they said the site is generating $209 per month. Okay, and they said they have active 124k followers on IG. So let's ignore all of this. So let's scroll down a little bit to see where the seller is coming from. India. Okay, and the profile is verified. All right, so the payment method is through escrow. So let's go ahead and take a look at this site. So take a look at this site, copy, go to a new tab and paste it right there. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Let's also observe the loading speed of the site. Just go ahead and register on this platform. If you register on this platform, make sure you sign up here. Then go ahead and message or contact the seller. And once you contact him, go ahead and bargain with him and stuff. Make sure you summarize. If you bid higher than all these people here, if you bid a little bit higher than all these people here, then you're likely going to get this site before them. Okay, so that is definitely how to get your site or your AdSense site from this website. All right, so you can go ahead and search for other sites. Maybe once you see the one that is good for you, go for it. And once you go for it, then you can head over to my WhatsApp and then message me. I will get you started with the course on how to optimize your ads to spend as low as this amount for your ads. Okay, so that is definitely the first method I told you guys. Now the second method is by getting the AdSense the normal way. Now I'm going to be telling you guys some tips that will help you guys to get it the normal way. So getting your AdSense approved these days seems to be a little bit difficult, but trust me, with what I'm about to tell you guys, if you pay close attention and also put them in practice, you're definitely gonna get your AdSense approved very sooner than later. So first of all, after creating your site, you need to pay attention to the kind of content you are posting there. So you need to be posting quality content. So your content must be of very good quality and it must be good. So that's the first one. Don't go ahead and copy people's content. Make sure you're the one or you're the real owner of the content that you're publishing. If you don't know how to write content, you can head over to Fiverr. I'm going to leave a link down there. You can pay people as low as $5 to write at least maybe 3 contents for you, 10 contents, 15 contents. They'll charge you a little, maybe $10 to $15, and they'll give you a very good SEO optimized content. So I'm going to leave a link to Fiverr down there in the description of this video. So that's the first one. So the second one I have on my list is don't write on the following niches. So if you're venturing into any niche, make sure it's not in any of these topics. So don't write about guns, don't write about drugs and pharmacies, don't write about adult content, poker and gambling, hacking, all of this stuff. All right, anything illegal that is not AdSense related, just make sure that you don't write about it on your blog, because definitely you're not gonna get approved. The speed of website must be maintained. Now if you are using Blogger or WordPress, you can connect your site to Cloudflare. So if you want to connect your site to Cloudflare, just go ahead and type in Cloudflare. So just go ahead and create your account right here. Okay, if you click on it, create a new account. Now if you're using a Blogger, you can use Cloudflare. If you're using a WordPress, you can also use Cloudflare. So in case if you don't know how to connect your Blogger to Cloudflare, make sure you comment down there. I'm going to create a new video on how to connect your Blogger to Cloudflare, and with that your site is going to be faster in loading, and also it's going to filter all those bot traffics that are going to get into your site, and your site will be free from all of those bot traffic and other stuff. So just make sure you drop a comment. I'm going to do a very good video on that. So with that, let's head over to the next point. So make sure you attach important pages to your blog. So this is like one of the main criteria for getting AdSense approved. So you must have all these pages on your blog. So first of all, you need to have about us, contact us, privacy policy on your blog. So in case if you are confused about these pages that I just talked about, let's take a look at this site to see the pages that we are actually referring to. So scroll down to the bottom of the site. You can see these pages: contact us, terms and conditions, then privacy policy and disclaimer. Now this site is actually monetized, I guess, so probably they don't have the about us, or maybe they have it somewhere else. But for you to get monetized, you need to have contact us, terms and conditions, privacy policy, disclaimer, and about us. So make sure you have them on your site, so that when the AdSense robot is crawling your site, they'll be able to see all of this, and once they detect it, you're likely going to get monetized if you've obeyed other of their terms and conditions. And let's take a look at this one again. Next one is using the language you support Google AdSense. I've actually talked about it. Don't use any language that is not supported by Google AdSense. Any of the vulgar words or maybe adult related content or words and all of that. Make sure you don't use them because AdSense is not gonna approve you. So back in the days, the approval time used to be from 24 to 48 hours. They will review your site and give you a reply. But these days, it takes longer than that. So I'm not going to show you guys that after you've obeyed all of this, that your site is going to get approved. Now let me give you guys a bonus tip. Okay, you can start running Facebook ads to your site. Alright, so the reason for doing that is not for you to make money from AdSense, because probably you don't have any AdSense, you're just getting started. So the reason for getting or driving traffic to your site is because Google values traffic. Alright, so at times when your site is not even very standard and it's getting traffic or maybe a reasonable number of traffics already, Google is likely going to approve your account once you're driving traffic to your site. So I would advise you guys to just bring up probably $10 or less to be driving traffic, maybe 500 traffic every day to your site, and also be waiting for your approval. And make sure you have at least 15 to 20 organic posts on your blog. All right, so with that, you are likely going to get approved as easy as possible. Okay, so with that being said, I'm actually going to be seeing you guys in my next video. If you are yet to get the course, make sure you message me on my WhatsApp. Let's get you started. Now in case if you have your AdSense approved, still cool, make sure you message me down there and we'll get you started. So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 3,000 subscribers. And with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.